Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integration cos square root x divided by square root x multiply with 1 plus sine square root x dx. So integration cos square root x divided by square root x 1 plus sine square root x dx. This question solved by substitution method. So let here any variable t is equal to 1 plus sine square root x, this portion. Okay, when we differentiate we get dt is equal to, this one is 0, plus when we differentiate sine, so we get cos square root x. We are using here chain rule, so we differentiate square root x. So dt is equal to cos square root x, and here square root x, it means x to the power 1 upon 2. So when we differentiate this, we get 1 upon 2 x to the power 1 upon 2 minus 1 minus 1 upon 2 dx. Okay, so dt is equal to 1 upon 2, and this one when we write in positive exponent, so this goes here down, x to the power 1 upon 2, or we can write square root x, cos square root x dx. Okay, these values we can substitute here, and this one convert into t function. So I will be integration. Here this one is 1 plus sine square root x, we can write t, it means 1 upon t. Okay, 1 upon t. And here this value cos square root x upon square root x dx. So this one value, right? So we get 2 here this side, so multiply, it means 2 dt. So 2 right here dt. Okay, now we can easily integrate 1 upon t. So 2 ln absolute value t plus any arbitrary constant c. ln 2 ln, sorry, this one is ln, and t value is 1 plus sine square root x, 1 plus sine square root x, and this is our final answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.